Vespa oil change, the 50cc Primavera. Here's the empty cap. We just ran it about 2 minutes to heat it up. 24mm socket, loosen up. The filter that we will hand clean. So we get to tip the bike at a 35 to 40 degree angle and drain all the oil. You see a couple of pieces of debris, we're gonna clean those off. Shove the cloth into the filter. See that? And we're just cleaning out the whole piece. Link in the description below if you need a new one. We'll wet the O-ring. Then we reinstall the filter. It should just hang there. Take that O-ring off, seat it against the outer lip of this cap. Now we reseated the O-ring. We'll put it against here. We will torque this to 4 foot-pounds. To 4 foot-pounds. Left side, the fill. You just take this piece off. The level sensor, 5W40 4T or 4-stroke. Link in the description below. Please support the channel by buying through that link. The capacity is 51.8 cubic inches, which is 0.897 cord. No leaks. Like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.